choosing the right DC power supply can be tricky. Unstable voltage, poor current control, noisy output, and weak safety protection often cause serious problems for electronics work. A quality lab bench power supply solves these issues by delivering precise voltage, adjustable current, and reliable protection. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best DC power supplies of 2026, perfect for electronics labs, DIY projects, repair work, and professional testing. We analyzed real user feedback and technical specs to rank these models. All product links are in the description for updated prices.
Number 5. Wanptek Adjustable DC Power Supply. The Wanptek Adjustable DC Power Supply offers flexible voltage and current control with support for 30-volt 10 ampere and 60-volt 5 ampere configurations. Its LED display provides clear, real-time voltage and current readings for accurate adjustments. Designed as a stabilized switching power supply, it delivers consistent output with low ripple, making it suitable for circuit testing, battery charging, and electronics repair. Compact yet powerful, this unit is ideal for hobbyists and small labs needing reliable performance at an affordable price. Number 4. Jesverty DC Lab Bench Power Supply. The Jesverty DC Lab Power Supply stands out with wide voltage options, including 30V, 60V, and up to 120V output. It features precise encoder-based control for smooth voltage and current regulation. Dual input voltage support for 110V and 220V makes it globally compatible. Built for lab and industrial use, it delivers stable output with strong protection systems. This power supply is perfect for engineers, researchers, and technicians who need versatility and precision in demanding environments. Number 3. Hangell DC Laboratory Power Supply. The Hangell DC Laboratory Power Supply is designed for users who value accuracy and safety. It offers adjustable voltage ranges up to 30V, 60V, or 120V with preset current control for protecting sensitive components. The current on-off function allows safer circuit testing and easy load management. Its switching power design ensures efficient performance with minimal heat. Ideal for electronics labs, training centers, and repair shops, this model balances power, control, and durability. Number 2. KUAIQU 2024 DC Power Supply. The KUAIQU 2024 DC Power Supply is packed with advanced safety features including OCP and OVP protection. It supports adjustable outputs like 30V 10A and 5A, while also offering USB-A and Type-C fast charging ports. This makes it perfect for powering circuits and charging modern devices at the same time. Stable output, modern design, and multi-purpose functionality make it a smart choice for DIY users, labs, and tech workstations. Number 1. QJE PS30 SWIV Linear DC Power Supply. The QJE PS30 SWIV is a professional-grade linear power supply delivering a stable 13.8-volt output with up to 30 amps. Known for ultra-low noise and exceptional voltage stability, it's widely used in communication systems, automotive electronics, and radio equipment. Unlike typical switching supplies, its linear design ensures clean and reliable DC power. Adjustable voltage control and rugged construction make it the top choice for professionals who demand maximum reliability and performance. A high-quality DC power supply ensures stable voltage, precise current control, and strong protection for your electronics projects. These 5 models offer excellent performance for labs, repairs, and professional use. Choose the one that matches your power needs and subscribe for more smart tech reviews.